Cubase 14 comes with a completely revamped score editor based on state-of-the-art Dorico technology. Your scores will look cleaner and sharper than ever before. You can quickly and easily examine and edit your music displayed as notation and produce great-looking, legible parts for your recording projects. Let's check it out. The first thing that you will notice with the new score editor in Cubase 14 is that now when you play a real-time MIDI part, you will be able to have a very clean looking score straight away. So as the first thing on this video, I want to play something live on the keyboard, and then I want to show you how it looks in notation. As you can see, I played a simple piano part. I didn't quantize, I didn't touch it. Let's see how it looks with the new score editor. I'm going to go here, score, open score editor, and this is the score that the score editor produced. As you can see, it's very clean. It detected that I played a piano, so depending on the range that you use, it's going to give you a different look. But the most important thing is how clean it looks. Check it out. We have slurs for legato, we have staccato notes right here. The accidentals look clean, and if I play it back, and I want to repeat, this is without using any quantize. Now, the great thing with the new score editor is that you can have display quantize. So if for some reason there are some notes that you played really freely and you want them displayed more accurately, you can actually use display quantize. You go here to your display quantize, you can select any display quantize value, and as you can see, it's going to change the notation, but the MIDI remains the same. So that means I don't have to ruin a perfectly good free performance. I can have the score editor give me a legible score while having my MIDI untouched, which is great. The other thing I want to show you is how the new score editor interprets phrasing, because phrasing is hugely important to musicians. So if I hit record, check the slurs, check the staccato notes. All the disconnected notes. If a performer sees that score, they know exactly what to do. And this is one of the big new things that you can do with the score editor. And the big point of the score editor is just that. You can create great looking scores no matter what kind of music you're creating. For example, right here, I have a beat and I'm going to create the score for the piano, the strings, a vocal sample, a synth pluck, and my sub bass. So let's open this and let's see how it looks. If you want to do any modifications to your score, it's very simple, and if you've ever used Dorico, the flagship notation software from Steinberg, you will feel right at home. So right here, I have all the tools that I need. I have my clefs, I have my key signatures, I have my time signatures, my tempo, my dynamics markings, ornaments, lyrics, and so on and so forth. So if I wanted to add a key signature here, all I need to do is select my key signature and add it right here at the beginning of my piece. And of course, if you're working with larger orchestral mockups, you're going to love the new score editor. The great thing that you can do is you can create layouts. So for example, right here, I have already created a strings layout. So if I click on this, you will see that my score changes straight away and we can see only the strings. I can do the same thing for my brass. If I just select my brass, I can create a new layout, call it brass, for example. And now I have a layout for my brass. And now I can switch from the brass layout to the strings layout in one click. The new score editor is also very flexible if you want to have options when viewing your score. So you can have the page view like I have right here, or you can go to field view and you can see pretty much everything, and you can have a great overview of your score without being constrained to page layouts. And it goes without saying that if you want to change the instrument type for any part, you can just go to the layout settings, instrument, and here you can pick from a wide range of instruments so you can completely customize your score. These are just a few of the new features in the new score editor in Cubase 14. I hope you make some great music with it, and I'll see you on the next one.